Hi everyone, in this video we learned that how to fix cannot unlink email due to account security. So practically we fix this problem in TikTok. So guys, let's get it started, but before this please subscribe my this YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. So guys, in order to fix this problem you have to open your TikTok account. In bottom you will see profile option, so click on profile. After that you will see this interface. Now you have to tap on these three lines. Now you have to select settings and privacy, so tap here. You will be redirected here. Now you have to choose account, so click on account. You will see this screen. Now you have to choose account information, so click on account information here. You will be redirected in email section. So guys, in account information here you will see email option, so click on email. If you click here, that it says that verify your email. So there are three possibilities. First one is that you can unlink, or you can verify email, or you can change email address. So it depends that whether your email is in your access or not. So guys, now let's learn that how to unlink your email address. So first of all, let me to check once again. So I will click on unlink email. So it will say that cannot unlink email due to account security. So how you can fix this problem? For this you have to add your phone number first of all. So click on this option. Now enter your phone number here. So guys, here you have to enter your own phone number. So I have provided my phone number. After that you have to click on send code. So a verification code will be sent to your desired number. So I have received code. So this is my verification code. Phone number added. Now you have to click here email address. Here you have to click on unlink email. So you will see this screen, unlink email address. So guys, here you have to click on continue to unlink. If you click here, they will send a verification code to your phone number and you can easily unlink your email address. So let me to click here continue to unlink. Enter 6-digit code. So a verification code has been sent to your email address, but if you do not access your email address, then you can use your phone. Cannot access this email, then you have to try to use this option. So let me to click here. They will send a verification code. So here is a code my. So I have provided my verification code. See guys, we have successfully unlinked our email address. So here is only phone number and there is no email address. Now you can add your new email address here. So in this way you can unlink your email in TikTok.